Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku puzzle on October 21, 2022, 5-star Sudoku. 10th row, 5th row, and 3rd row. We have pair numbers 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 4th row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column J, 3 numbers are remaining 1 to 4. 6th grade, we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining 4. 4 is confirmed here. 5th row and 7th row we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column I, 5th row we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 8 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 5th row, 6th row we have 4. Column E also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 6th row, 7th row we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Column E also we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. Then 6 is confirmed here. 6th row we have 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 3rd row, 4th row we have 5. Column F also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining 1 to 7. 3rd row and 8th row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 2. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column F we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. 10th row also we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. 5th row and 7th row we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 5th row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 2 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column C we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. 5th row and 10th row also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 9th row, 10th row we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Column C also we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. In this cell we already have 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 9. Possible numbers are 2 and 9. We will confirm later. In this cell we already have 1, 3, 7, 5, 6, 8 and 9. Possible number 2 and 4. We will confirm later. Column D, 2 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. So 2 can't come in the cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then the column B, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 8, 9. 9th row we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. then only one number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Column H, 9th row, we go 1, so 1 can't come these cells, then the 1 is confirmed here. Then column J, only one number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. Then we can confirm 1 also here. Column G, only one number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. Column I, 8th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. 8th row, we already have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Column C, we already have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. 7th grade, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column C, we have 1 and 9, so 1 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then 4th grade, only one number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 6 and 7, so 6 and 7 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells. 9th row, we already have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. 10th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Then column C, only one number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. 2nd row, we already have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. 9th row, only one number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. 4th row and 2nd row, we have pair numbers, 4 and 9, so 4 and 9 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells. Column H, we already have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column H, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. 5th row, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. 5th row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. 2nd row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. 4th row, we already have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Then 2nd row, only one number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column F, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. Column F, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Then column F, only one number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.